Hello all, just Paul again. Spent about 2.5 hours in the radio room this morning. Got a GE here. There's quite a few of these to do at the moment. This is one that's came in midweek from somebody else, a fellow enthusiast that has had it for a long time but just couldn't see a way around getting it sorted. All right, what do we have here? It's a GEB model. What were the symptoms? No TX, and it had low RX and low AM. What I did was also order a Razer Radios VCO, and I started work on that when that came in with the radio. All right, it had me a bit miffed, but persistence prevails, and the work that was carried out. Well, firstly, installed the new VCO, removed the O2A chip, put in a chip holder. Okay. Went through, replaced the large cap. It was quite seriously leaking. Went through and did dry joint testing, reflowed all of the main pinouts and connectors. And as you can see here, a lot of damage all the way through here, up through here. Very, very common. And this is just what I normally see on a day-to-day basis. All right, look, I couldn't find out why I hadn't got TX. I should have just gone back to what happens in these other radios that I've rebuilt over time. Started checking tracks rather than checking the switching system here. Found out that this track here had been eaten through underneath the capacitor. It goes through under the capacitor, out and up. It's the main power to the PA stage. So what I did was I connected it down here to the first header pin. I don't solder to the tracks. Run it all the way around to another header pin terminating right there, as you can see. And what we ended up with was TX. So the best I've managed to get out of this at the moment, doing a RX alignment, TX alignment, and the oscillator is around about 11 watts on the low side, and the highest is somewhere around about 14 watts, average, not PEP. If we turn around and please disregard this frequency counter on the left, it needs calibrating. All right, we're in AM, channel 38, it should read 27385. There we go. Channel 1 should be 26965. Bang on. After the calibration, it's bang on 12 o'clock. The clarifier, transmit audio is beautiful. Go to upper sideband. Test 1 2, testing 1 2 1 2. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. All right, another one rescued. I've got quite a lot of these to do now, so this one will just get put on the shelf. I haven't even detailed it yet. The main thing was to get to the source of all of the problems. I may stick in a fresh set of 1969 finals and 2103, as everything else checks out in the PA stage. So there you go. Another radio for today, GEB model. All right. Thank you. Please comment, like and subscribe.